guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, today we are up with the last and the fourth part of this grammar correction video. Yes guys, this is a B2 correction video. In this the topic will be Rauchen. Yes guys, which is not absolutely good for your health, so make sure to avoid Rauchen. Yes guys, smoking is not good for the health, so make sure do not do that. And this gonna be, I think so, Rauchen is the most demanded and the most famous freshen topic in Goethe or the TEL. So make sure to watch this video because it will be genuinely helping you so very much. It will be like proper according to the B2. The student will be speaking about that and the trainer need to correct it. So yes, make sure to watch that till end. And if you're watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, German Gyan provides you online and offline classes from A1 to C2 all level, teacher training program, exam preparation, module practice, brush up classes, whatever you can think around German, German Gyan provides you each and everything. Make sure to subscribe German Gyan YouTube channel, and without wasting time, let's get started.
Hallo Shrestha, wie geht's? Mir geht es gut. Und Ihnen? Mir auch, danke. Also hast du das Thema vorbereitet, das ich vorgegeben habe? Das habe ich vorbereitet. Okay, sagen Sie bitte. Heute spreche ich über das Thema. Das Thema heißt Rauchen. Rauchen bedeutet Rauch von Brennenden Tabak einzuatmen, meist in Form zu Zigaretten. Es ist schädlich, weil es zu schwer Gesundheitsproblemen wie Lungenkrankheiten und Krebs führen kann. Einmal saß ich in einem Bus, in dem einige Leute rauchen. Verabscheue und wie schädlich es sein kann. Positive Aspekte des Rauchens. Manche Menschen finden so einfachen beim gemeinsamen Rauchen Kontakte zu knüpfen und Freundschaften zu schließen. Rauchen kann dazu führen, dass sich Menschen vorübergehend entspannter oder weniger gestresst fühlen. Negative Aspekte des Rauchens. Rauchen kann schwere Krankheiten wie Lungenkrebs, Herzkrankheiten und Atemwegsprobleme verursachen. Raucher in der Nähe von Rauchen können durch das Einatmen des Rauchs gesägt werden. Rauchen ist teuer und kann im Laufe der Zeit eine Menge Geld kosten. Die Menschen haben unterschiedliche Vorstellungen vom Rauchen. Manche denken, es sieht cool aus oder hilft ihnen, sich zu entspannen und sich in die Gesellschaft einzufügen. Andere halten es für eine persönliche Entscheidung und einen Weg, um Stress abzubauen. Viele Menschen sind sich jedoch der Gesundheitsrisiken bewusst und halten Rauchen für schädlich und gefährlich. Sie machen sich Sorgen über die Sucht und die Auswirkungen auf die Raucher und ihre Umgebung. Insgesamt sind die Meinungen zum Rauchen gemischt mit starken Gefühlen auf beiden Seiten.
The presentation was really good, but there were some common mistakes which need to be avoided. For example, the pronunciation. The first word was zero. The pronunciation is zero. You don't need to pronounce the word H because it is a rule of the pronunciation that if a vowel comes before H, then H is silent. That's why the pronunciation is zero. Next word was aspecte. Again the pronunciation was wrong. The correct pronunciation is aspecte. Then, okay, there was a word vomit. I think you don't know the meaning or you don't know the word vomit in German. So for vomit we use übergeben. Once again, the word is übergeben for vomit. Next, okay, one more mistake was there. You have used Kontakt machen. Instead of Kontakt machen, you can use Kontakt knüpfen. The correct verb is Kontakt knüpfen. Apart from this, again there were some more mistakes. To avoid these mistakes, I want to give you some tips. For example, you need to use more German grammar of B2 level. For example, try to include the topic zu plus infinitive in your speaking. And apart from this, you can use modal particle because it is very common for Germans to use modal particle in day-to-day life. So try to include those things in your daily life. And one more thing which is very important, that start thinking in German. If you really want to speak German, then just start thinking in German, try to speak German, or you can speak daily in German on some topic, whether it is related to your life or what you have seen in your day, or if there is something you like. So anything, it can be any topic, you just need to speak in German. The more you speak, the better you will get the marks in your exam. So this was some of the myths. So these were some of the tips for you. Keep learning German with German Gyan. Cheers!
So guys, how was this B2 correction video? I hope you liked this playlist because this was ultimately we made just to make sure that yes, something will be helping you to the depth, because it is a very common and a very frequent, very commonly asked question topic. So we thought to make it. I hope you loved it. Make sure to subscribe YouTube channel and we'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.